Welcome to the Mark Janad Show, the cybersecurity show. So doorbell cameras alike have been hacked, and I'm going to talk to you in this video what I discovered, and maybe you can come to your own conclusions. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So from little kids playing in their rooms to people just coming out of the shower to people private, just private situations, hackers have been able to see what's been going on in somebody's house. Now, while we know that may happen, it happens, but I think let's talk about how it happens, right? And let's break it down. So several internet connected doorbell cameras have a security flaw that allows hackers to take over the camera by just holding down a button, among other issues, according to research by Consumer Reports. So this week, the nonprofit Consumer Reports published research that detailed 4 security and privacy flaws in cameras made by Eken, E-K-E-N, which is a company based off in China, which makes cameras branded as Eken, but also apparently Tuck and other brands. This relatively cheap doorbell cameras were available on online marketplaces like Walmart and Temu. Come on. Level up, guys. Which removed them from sale after Consumer Reports reached out to the companies to flag the problems. These doorbell cameras are, however, still available elsewhere. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Now, according to Consumer Reports, the most impactful issue is that if someone is in close proximity to an Eken doorbell camera, they can take full control of it by simply downloading its official app called Aiwit, A-I-W-I-T, and putting the camera in pairing mode by simply holding down the doorbell's button for 8 seconds. Aiwit's app has more than 1 million downloads on Google Play, suggesting it is widely used, right? So why are you guys going to Temu and Walmart? Go to Best Buy. Go to Best Buy. Go to Best Buy. So at that point, the malicious user can create their own account on the app and scan the QR code generated by the app by putting it in front of the doorbell's camera. This process lets the malicious user add the doorbell to their own account, allowing the malicious user to gain control over a device that was originally associated with the homeowner's user's account, according to Consumer Reports. So what are you guys gonna go next? Etsy, Etsy and eBay to get y'all cameras. So one mitigating factor is that once this process is over, the owner of the camera gets an email alerting them that their Aiwit device has changed ownership per the test Consumer Reports conducted. Please let me know in the comment section below, what websites or platforms should someone not get a doorbell camera? Let's get that conversation started. The other issues highlighted by the nonprofit organization are that the doorbells broadcast the owner's IP addresses over the internet. They broadcast still images captured by the cameras, which can be intercepted and seen by anyone without needing a password. And they broadcast the unencrypted name of the local Wi-Fi network that the doorbell connects to over the internet. Consumer Reports says Eken, again, E-K-E-N, did not respond to their emails reporting these issues. Eken also did not respond to requests from news outlets, right, asking for more information. So despite these flaws and Consumer Reports warning online marketplace about them, the doorbells remain available on sale on Amazon. Amazon, come on, man. Amazon, come on. Sears and Shein. Tell all our wives and our girlfriends and fiancés, doorbells on Shein, that's going to be a hard pass. So please let me know what you think about this breaking news story, this ever-growing development in the comment section below. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Thank you for supporting me. See you on the next video.